Hello guys, welcome back. Let's solve for x. We have 2 power 2x minus 2 power x plus 1, which is equals to negative 1. So here don't make a mistake by only getting the powers, because here sign it is a negative. It is not division or multiplication. So if you can see this 2 power x plus 1, it's more like it was a power x multiplied by a power 1. This one in indices, it is equals to a x plus a power x plus 1. So we have to do this one, in which it will be 2 power 2x minus 2x multiplied by 2 power 1, which is equals to minus 1. And here there's a law of multiplying the powers. This is more like we have 2 power x in the bracket, then squared. This one is same as 2 power 2x. So we have to get this one into this law here, in which 2 power x to the power 2 minus 2 power x multiplied by 2 power 1, it is equals to minus 1. So now here, this is where you let 2 power x to be equals to p. So now let's substitute where there is 2 power x with p. So here we're going to substitute it with p squared minus here also p times 2, which is 2p, equals minus 1. Then p squared minus 2p, when negative 1 across the equal sign, it will be positive 1, which is equals to 0. So here we have to look for product and sum. So the product and sum, it is p squared minus p minus p, because if you multiply negative 1 times negative 1, it is positive 1, but when you add negative 1 minus 1, it is minus 2. So here plus 1, which is equals to 0. So now let's look for a common factor, which is here it is p. So p outside, p into p squared will remain with p minus p into p, which is 1. Then here what's common, it is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus p, we have p negative 1 into positive 1, which is minus 1, equals to 0. So we get this term and this one, which is p minus 1. Even this one, p minus 1 equals to 0. If you can see, the term are same, so we only correct the one term, in which it will be p equals to 1. And remember that for p it is 2 power x, and we have found that p it is 1. So 2 power x, it is equals to 1. So if you can see here, there's a rule which says if you have 2 power 0, this one it is equals to 1. So we have to take this one into 2 to the power 0, in which it will be 2 power x equals 2 power 0. Then x, it will be 0. So this is our answer for this question here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the update. See you next time.